Frequency distribution, tables and graphs of 8th class maths. Do this page number 157. Find median of the following data. Serial number, he has given this data. He has given heights. Number of observations 10, n value 10 here. It is a even, so formula is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That is average of the middle two observations. As n value is 10 here, n by 2 5. So 5th plus 6th observation by 2. Average of the 5th and 6th observations. Here, first we have to write them in ascending order. See here. And then after that, 5th term is 5 feet 9 inches, 6th term is 5 feet 11 inches. When we add them, we get 10 feet 20 inches. 10 feet 20 inches means it is 12 inches plus 8 inches. 12 inches is equal to 1 feet. Therefore, 10 feet plus 1 feet, it is 11 feet 8 inches by 2. As to convert this 11 feet into inches, we have to multiply by 12. So, 11 into 12, 132 inches and plus 8 inches here. Okay. So, 132 inches plus 8 inches. It is 140 inches divided by 2. As we know, it is 70 inches. To convert this 70 inches into feet, we have to divide it by 12. Then it is converted into feet. 70 by 12 feet. So, 70 by 12 feet, answer is 5 feet 10 inches. How we get it? That 70 by 12. 12 5s are 60. 10 remainder. 5 is quotient is feet and 10 inches remainder. So answer will be 5 feet 10 inches. Therefore median height is 5 feet 10 inches. So here median height 5 feet 10 inches. Next, second question. Try this of next bit. Try this of page number 158. Find the median of the data. 24, 65, 85, 12, 45, 35, 15. You count number of observations. Then we get number of observations as 7. 7 is odd. So formula for median is n plus 1 by 2th observation, middle term. When we write them in ascending order, whichever comes in the middle, that will be the median. So let us arrange them in ascending order here. 12, 15, 24, 35, 45, 65 and 80. Then middle observation. In 7 plus 1, 8. 8 by 2. See here, n plus 1 by 2th observation means 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2. 4th observation is median. Here first, second, third. When we arrange them in ascending order, whichever comes in the 4th position, that will be the median. Therefore, median is 35. Next, second question. If the median of x, 2x, 4x and 4x is 12, then find mean of the data. Given observations x, 2x, 4x. Median will be, as there are 3 observations, middle term, second term is middle term 2x here, that will be the median. So given median 12, so 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2. 2 when it comes, it divides 12. So x value is 6. Then given observations can be written as 6, 2x means 2 into 6, 4x means 4 into 6. 6, 12 and 24 are observations. And we know mean formula, sum of observations by number of observations. So, sum of observations here 6 plus 12 plus 24 by number of observations 3. 18 plus 24, 42 by 3, that is 14 is mean of the following data. Third question, if the median of the data 24, 29, 34, 38, x is 29, then the value of x is first option x greater than 38, second x less than 29, third x lies between 29 and 34, fourth none. Given observations 24, 29, 34, 38 and x, number of terms 5, so it is a odd, n value is 5. Then median formula n plus 1 by 2th term, n is 5, so 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, third term. Given median is equal to 29, so 29 should be the third term. So here x should be before 29, then only it will be 29 will be third term. So x value should be less than 29. Option 2 is correct, that is x less than 29.